Hi, this is the first of the A-level revision sheets. The first few are going to be Year 12 topics, and then we're going to move on to Year 13 topics. So this is a Year 12 topic looking at binomial expansion for positive integer powers. And the key formulae are all given in the formula booklet. These are on the top of the page of the AQA formula booklet. The only one that isn't given is the actual definition of R factorial, but we should all be familiar with this. So I'm now going to do 2 quick examples, and then there are 8 questions to practice on the sheet. Okay, so I want to show that the expansion of 1 plus 3x all to the power 4 minus 1 minus 3x all to the power 4 only contains odd powers of x. Well, let's first of all consider the expansion 1 plus 3x to the power 4. Well, just using our binomial formula, that's 1 to the 4 plus 4 choose 1 times 1 cubed times 3x to the 1. Note that in each term the powers will add up to the n equal 4 value. So plus 4 choose 2 times 1 squared times 3x squared, 4 choose 3 1 to the 1, sorry, times 3x cubed. And then finally 4 choose 4 times 1 times 3x to the 4. So we've got 1. 4 choose 1 is 4, so 4 times 1 times 3x. 4 choose 2 is 6, so we've got 6 times 1 times, now remembering that 3x squared means you square the 3 and the x, so it's 9x squared. Four choose 3 is 4. And similarly we get 27x cubed from the x cubed term. 4 choose 4 is 1. So just simplifying and writing this out nicely, we get 1 plus 12x. 6 times 9 is 54, so 54x squared. 4 times 27 is 108, so 108x cubed. And 81x to the 4. So thinking about powers of -1, we can see from this expansion that clearly the expansion of 1 minus 3x to the 4 is 1 minus 12x plus 54x squared, because minus 1 squared is still positive 1. So minus 108x cubed plus 81x to the 4. So then finally, so hence if I now consider 1 plus 3x to the 4 minus 1 minus 3x to the 4, we get 24x plus 216x cubed, and then concluding with a sentence which only contains odd powers of x. So in questions like this, just work through piece by piece, splitting up your working to make it really clear what you're doing, and then end with a concluding statement. Okay, one final example. So the coefficient of x in the expansion of 4 plus ax to the 5 is 3,840. Find a. So consider the coefficient of x. Well, the coefficient of x is going to be 4n, which is 5. So 5 choose 1. Times by 4 to the 4 times by a to the 1, and that's 3,840. So 5 choose 1 will be 5. 4 to the power 4 is 256. Times by a equals 3,840. So a is equal to 3,840 divided by 5 times by 256. So a here equals 3. Okay, so here are two short examples of the binomial expansion for positive integer n. Please now give the questions on the sheet a try.